How to clear cache on Instagram. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can clear cache on Instagram. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, hit down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. So to clear out the cache on your Instagram, what you'll first have to do is open up your settings app. My bad, let me go to the initial settings page. There we go. Now after you're here, head over to general and there you should find iPhone storage. Tap on it. After you're on your iPhone storage, you'll need to locate Instagram. So search for Instagram and open it up. Then there you should find the offload app option. Tap on offload app and then offload it. So it can take some time depending on your size of the app. So after it completes offloading, you can tap on reinstall app and the reinstallation should begin. And after it downloads, you'll have cleared out the cache on Instagram on your iPhone. And that's basically it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye bye. Take care.